This is vacuum circuit breaker workshop located in third floor of production building. There were total 6 floor workshop, clean and neat awaits following 5S management. This VCB had already finished and passed test. Will be transferred to storage warehouse before delivery. Here is the production line for ZW32 type outdoor VCB. The platform contains 180 degrees for convenient assembly. This white color cast resin is customized. ZW32 type is most popular and welcomed option for outdoor type VCB. This is ZW8 type outdoor vacuum circuit breaker. This is ZW20 outdoor type vacuum circuit breaker, which is a vacuum circuit breaker with SF6 gas-filled double insulation. And this is the VS1 type indoor vacuum circuit breaker, mainly for switchgear panel installation, include drawable type and fixed type. This is new design of LW type SF6 circuit breaker outdoor for pole installation.